Howdy y'all, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm here looking at this gorgeous one bedroom at the Artistry Design District. It's really stunning. I love it. And we're gonna do a part two. We're actually gonna walk in the bedroom and bath. So let's walk in there and take a look. Really attractive bathroom. Love the lighted mirror that's here. Very pretty. And it's got a stand-up shower. The shower is just gorgeous. Really pretty there. And then look in here, you've got a beautiful bedroom. This is a queen bedroom, queen setup here. Really nice window. The window is just gorgeous. It's stunning. Lots of light. Super pretty. And then you've got a wonderful closet here. So you walk in, really cute, a lot of shelves in there. This is a very pretty setup and it's so functional. It just flows easily. It's a fun one bedroom. Hey, if you want to take a tour anytime of this beautiful apartment or see several floor plans, we can set up a virtual tour over your iPhone, or we can do a live tour anytime in person as well. Send me a text. My number is below.